If you are serious about getting into DevOps or leveling up your skills this year, this video is for you. Watch the full roadmap to avoid wasting months chasing hype. I am a DevOps engineer with over 10 years of experience across diverse industries and company sizes, handling critical infrastructure in complex environments. This roadmap is exactly what I'd follow if I had to start fresh today. It's realistic, practical, and straightforward. And just so you know, no Kubernetes required here. You won't master it overnight, but you'll build a solid foundation that will be with you forever. If this roadmap resonates, leave a comment. I'm always looking to tailor my videos to what you need most. Let's start with the foundation. Understanding the operating system. Linux is the backbone of most DevOps work. You need to know what's happening beneath the surface because all your tools run on it. Learn commands like top, which will show you running processes and resource usage, followed by ps command to list detailed process information, journalctl to read system logs and troubleshoot errors, chmod to manage file permissions and security, lsof to find which processes are using files or network ports. Mastering these give you real power, and trust me, mastering Linux is what separates a junior from a mid-level DevOps engineer earning 20 to 30% more. Now moving on to networking. Another essential area, understanding IPs, ports, DNS, firewalls and routing is non-negotiable. Get comfortable with tools like ping, google.com for example, to check if a host is reachable. Curl to transfer data from or to a server. Netstat to display network information and ports. Dig to query DNS information. TCP dump to capture and analyze network traffic. These tools help you test connectivity, inspect network traffic, and diagnose issues quickly and effectively. The ability to quickly debug network issues will get you noticed, and better paychecks come to those who can solve problems fast. Another big skill is Git and collaboration workflows. Git isn't just commit and push. You need to know how to resolve conflicts, rebase, manage pull requests, and participate in code reviews. Teams value this skill highly, and it's a key factor in salary bumps as you grow your experience. Up next is CI/CD. Before you automate, build your app manually first. Then create pipelines that build, test, and deploy your code. Knowing how to troubleshoot failed builds is golden, and companies will pay for that expertise. Then you'll want to master infrastructure as code with Terraform. Start by creating infrastructure manually, then automate it. This skill can push your salary significantly higher because it means you can manage infrastructure reliably and at scale. Another essential skill is monitoring and observability. Start simple, logs, disk usage, memory, CPU, then move up to tools like Prometheus and Grafana. Good monitoring skills will help avoid costly downtime, making you invaluable, and that's always reflected in your compensation. Finally, don't forget cloud fundamentals. Pick one provider, AWS, Azure, or GCP, and go deep. Learn IAM, VM management, firewalls, and storage from the CLI. Combine this with Terraform for a powerful combo. One last thing, documenting and communicating your work well is key. Clear readmes, architecture diagrams, and well explained pipelines can make a big difference. This shows employers you are ready for responsibility and a big factor in salary growth. Let's be honest, you won't master DevOps in 30 days. You might not feel confident even after 2 months, but this is a craft and a mindset. You keep growing. Even after 10 years, I'm still learning. Tools change, but the core skills of troubleshooting, automation, and collaboration never go out of style, and they keep your earning potential strong. If this roadmap brought you clarity, hit subscribe. I share real world DevOps content every week, debugging simulations, AI powered tools, and practical guides. And please tell me in the comments, which step are you on? What's hardest? Your feedback helps me create better content. Remember, DevOps isn't just about tools, it's how you think like an engineer.